How to install Flix Vision on Firestick or Android TV. Here's how to get it working. First, turn on apps from unknown sources in your Firestick or Android TV settings so sideloading is allowed. Install the downloader app if you don't have it. Then use downloader to fetch the Flix version APK version 3.1.2R or a working older or clone version via a link or downloader code. Install it and delete the APK file afterward to save space. Once installed, open Flix Vision, browse categories like movies, TV shows, live TV, anime. If Firestick says app disabled or flags it, use the older version or clone that people report still works. Always use a VPN and be careful who you download from. May work or may need workarounds depending on your Firestick's firmware.